Hey, it's Keegan. We're here at the second annual Metal Works Expo here at KWI. It's an opportunity for high school students and students here at KWI to meet companies and contractors for their future employment. Let's get to it. So I'm here with Wally. He's from Colorado. Wally, what are you doing here, man?
Bro, I'm just here to show these kids how to weld. You want to learn how to weld? Come over here. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's easy to me, but it's not easy to you. But let's get you there. Come on now.
We got John from Pennsylvania. John, what are you doing here, man?
We're about to weld some 6-inch pipe.
Yep, so John and Wally came from Pennsylvania and Colorado to come weld with the students today, showing them what it means to be a downhill welder. So these guys are going to be welding hot and fast, teaching the next generation of welders how it's done. So I'm here with Reece Thompson. Reece, why'd you come here today to the Metal Works Expo and what brought you here?
One of my friends is currently going here right now.
Okay. So what do you think about it so far? You like it? What's your favorite part about the Metal Works Expo?
What I'm learning so far.
And what is that? What are you learning?
Tips, tricks.
Okay.
What to do better, what to work on.
So what grade are you in?
12th grade right now.
So you're a senior.
Yes, sir.
So what are your goals this year as a senior in welding class? What are you going to focus on to help you when you graduate?
Right now, I'm going to try and get like the certs that they offer.
Okay.
And then hopefully graduate, maybe get a co-op job.
Okay.
And then I'd like to come here next year in the summer.
This is our second annual Metal Works Expo. We've got students from not just across the Bluegrass, but some of the surrounding states, high school students that are coming to not only see if KWI might be what they want to be, but in some cases just in general to see if working with metal, to being involved in the trades, and specifically being a welder is what they want to do.
Here at the Metal Works Expo, it's an amazing opportunity for yourself as a high school student or someone who's looking to meet up with companies and contractors for those big paying jobs. Here we have the different union companies, the non-union companies, as well as the American Welding Society. We have the NCCER here as well. We have StarCon, we have the UA here, and we have Universal Plant Services. All types of companies and contractors. That's just to name a few of them that are here at our Metal Works Expo. Dayton, what are you guys doing here?
So we are here to promote our company. We work in predominantly steel industry.
Okay.
We do mainly pipe.
Okay.
We do long-term jobs, short-term jobs, maintenance.
Okay.
If you want to travel, if you want to do outages, you get a little bit of everything.
Okay.
We hire straight out of weld school. Very competitive pay.
Okay. What's the most important thing for someone in high school or getting ready to leave KWI? What's the most important skill they can have before coming to you guys?
The most important skill, I would say, punctuality.
Really?
Yeah.
Now, Blake, what is the point of this Metal Works Expo for a high school student?
I think a lot of it is just to see what possibilities are out there and what avenues that you could go down. Not just to weld. We've got all kinds of people here under the tent, from union to non-union contractors that you could talk about or talk to about possible employment in the future through them, what kind of work opportunities that they have, whether it be close to home or far away, and all the opportunities that they have available to you, and the need for welders that they have. And then not just them, we've got different vendors here from DeWalt, Milwaukee, MECO, all kinds of people. And then coming down to the shop here, we've got our instructors here welding various processes. Some of the guys are up on a ladder, some of the guys are in a man basket, trying to just get as much real world possibilities as we could that you may run into in this industry if this is what you really want to do. So it's just kind of a fast forward pace pitch of all things welding here today.
Those are some of the things that goes on here at the Kentucky Welding Institute Metal Works Expo. We bring in companies and contractors and have students from around the state and nation come here to network, weld, and to fellowship in the welding community.